Welcome to the bar. Can I get you a drink? Blame it on the Henny, blame it on the goose. Got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on the Yeah, cause I got it like that. Flow so smooth like I got it on tap. Yeah, and I'ma say it be a good night while I'm on my Yingling, while I'm drinking Bud Light. Can you get it when you miss me? Like I'm with whiskey, drinking Jim Beam. Yeah, baby, you can do it.
All right. Double, all right. Is that semi? Hey, is that semi? All right. Move, guys.
What, ricocheting crap.
Ryan, come on. Go in there, come on. I got him. Go in. Damn it. Controls. Oh. Come on, Beaver. Get your head out.
Go! Good! Go! Semi only! Go! Make sure you select your switches pointing.
Booty hat! Call your hat!
You select your switch.
I didn't hit you! Whatever. On it. Go, Jack. Where are they, Jack? I don't know where Ryan went. There he is. Hey! There's one in this side of the building. He's inside right here. Ryan! Go POW. For sure. Hey. Bang. 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 Hey. Mamba, watch the door. Mamba, watch the door. Good shot, man. Good shot. I'm dead.
You got blood. What? You got blood. Shot in the head.
Where? Who?
You guys, just call yourself out. Call yourself out. Walk back in.
Come on.
Guys, I got him.
Come on.
Let's go. I got him.
Who has him? He's really hurt. He's bleeding badly. Right there. He's in the gray.
Stop shooting! Guys, come on! Stop shooting!
Really? He's doing this? Alright, come on guys, come on! Hey! Go, come on. Next. Next wall. Okay.
Welcome to the bar. Can I get you a drink? Blame it on the Henny, blame it on the goose. Got you feeling dizzy. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on